Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Boxed Out. This is low poly boxing entertainment like you've never seen before. Oh, it looks like Little Bip's using his last continue against Mr. KO. This is round one. Here we go. Stunning super punch knocked down by Little Bip. Can he keep this up? Absolutely brutal knockdown by Mr. KO. It looks like he's getting mad. Oh, another vicious knockdown by Mr. KO. Can Little Bip turn this around? Vicious KO, no pun intended. It looks like it's lights out for Little Bip, and he's gonna have to try again. So I want to go with a little classic arcade-style voice commentary, and figured I'd record it myself. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Boxed Out. This is low poly boxing entertainment like you've never seen before. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you like Boxed Out. And on behalf of the low poly boxing entertainment team, my name is John, and I'll be seeing you in the next fight.